Hey everyone, welcome to Criminology and Forensic Science, where we break down complex topics into simple, digestible insights. Today, we are diving into criminology, so let's get started. Criminology is the study of crime. It's about understanding why people commit crimes and how society responds to those crimes. Think of it like this: criminologists are detectives of human behavior. They are trying to figure out what makes people break the rules. Let's say someone shoplifts a candy bar. A criminologist might ask, why did this happen? Were they hungry? Was it peer pressure? Or maybe they just wanted the thrill of getting away with it. Understanding this helps us find ways to stop it from happening again. Imagine a neighborhood with lots of burglaries. Criminologists study how different strategies like better lighting, community patrols, or security cameras can reduce those crimes. They also look at laws. For example, if penalties for drunk driving get stricter, does it actually stop people from driving under the influence? Criminologists dig into the data to find out. In short, criminology is all about solving the puzzle of crime. It helps make our world safer and our justice system fairer. And the best part, it's not just about catching criminals, it's about understanding people and building better communities. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy explanations of complex topics.